What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Whether you just not starting YouTube or you want to start your own YouTube channel, I got you. I'm here for you. Let's get it. So my name is Lone Mary, and if you haven't been already, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are subscribed, welcome back. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm gonna be telling y'all how to start a YouTube channel in 2021. And I'm basically gonna be telling y'all how I started and what's the easiest ways to start and all the tips and tricks. The best ways to start, all you need is your phone, to be honest. You don't really need a camera when you first start. If you have one, that's even better. You don't really need a computer, but if you have one, that's even better. When I started, all I had was an iPhone, and I had an iPhone and an Android, and I was using both. So I can tell you both of the sides. If you have an iPhone, the editing software you can use, it's called iMovie. If you have an iPhone, you should be pretty familiar with that software. You can use iMovie to edit all your content. You can use it to make intros, outros, anything. iMovie is great. If you have an Android, what I used to use is an app called KineMaster Pro. I'll link in the description so y'all can go ahead and download that. Another thing that I use for lighting. Lighting is a good part of this video. Of course, it makes the video vibe look better so that you can start your videos up, get them up and running. You can use a window or ring light. You can even use your phone flash. It's as simple as that. If that's what you got to do to start, go ahead so you can build your audience. Another thing that I'll recommend for you to use is a tripod. A tripod will really help because if you're doing videos like this, you want a tripod to hold up your phone or your camera, and you want a tripod to hold up your light. But if you don't have one, it's fine. It's totally fine. You can just prop your phone up. That's what I used to do. Okay, so now that you have all your equipment that you need to make your videos, now you need to actually think and brainstorm on the videos that you want to make. So while you're brainstorming, you want to think about things that you like to do. Another note, watching other videos, watching other YouTubers' videos is not a bad thing. It's actually a good thing so you can get ideas off them. I read a story. If you find 10 YouTubers that you like and watch 10 videos of each YouTuber, that's 100 YouTube ideas. If you do that, you have plenty of content to make. You will never feel like you're in a drought. When you're brainstorming, you want to think about things that you want to do and things that you want to say. For instance, if you just want to do reaction videos all the time, that'd be a good thing to do. There's always videos up for you to react to. If you want to do clothing hauls, if you want to do how-to videos, you want to write all this down in your notes so that you always remember. And while you're writing that down in your notes, go ahead and put specific topics under that big heading topic that you have. So when you make your video, you already have it in your head. Okay, this is what I'm supposed to be talking about. This is what I'm supposed to be doing. Okay, so now that you have the video thing out the way, now you need an audience. Now, audiences, it can be very easy for you to find an audience or either very hard for you to find an audience. Things that I did and still do to this day is I would just promote myself. Any chance I had, I would just promote myself. If I'm just out, somebody asks, hey, what do you like to do? Or what do you do on your free time? Or anything like that. I would just promote myself. Hey, I do YouTube. You should go check out my channel. Here's my YouTube name. Stuff like that. And what I do now, TikTok, Instagram, you have so many platforms to promote yourself on. And what I usually use is TikToks and Instagram Reels. Because I figure TikTok and Instagram, their algorithm, they'll push out your videos a lot. Even if you only have like 100 views on one video, that's 100 people that noticed you, that seen you. And if you just keep posting and posting, they're going to get in their head that, oh, who is this? He or she just came out of nowhere. So they'll know that you're coming. And when you blow up, they'll be like, oh, I seen a video of him. Okay, so when you're building your YouTube channel, you want to create content around your channel authority. Meaning, if you're doing like social stuff, like video reactions or vlogs or anything like that, and then the next video you'll be out fishing or something, that's not good to do. You want to stay in the same bracket as what you was doing when you started. I mean, you can branch off, but don't be everywhere doing different things. I mean, when you start off, of course you want to be everywhere to find your niche. When you find your niche, then you can stick to that, because you gonna see it. If you post a video and it does well, you're gonna want to do another one similar to that. You don't want to upload a video of you talking about a vlog and then it does well, and then the next video you're doing a video on how to make something. It's not gonna add up. Okay, so I also have some tips and tricks for y'all. Like I said before, I have 7 tips that I can give you today, right now. 1, have an amazing thumbnail. You want a thumbnail that can catch the audience eyes. When they're scrolling on YouTube, you want your thumbnail to pop. Number 2, make a title that makes people click. If you do this while they're reading it, and they'll be like, oh, that sounds interesting, you want a title like that. Number 3, make a speedy intro. You want your video retention to be high the whole video, because if you have a long intro and you don't get to the point, then they're going to feel like you're dragging it, and they're going to click off your video and not finish the whole video. So you want to make your intros powerful but quick at the same time. Number 4, tell the audience what is coming up every chance that you can get. For example, if you're making a part 1 to a video, let them know when part 2 is coming out. Or if you haven't announced that there's going to be a part 2, let them know that another addition to this video is coming out soon, so they have something to look forward to. And number 5, make desirable content. You want to make content that makes people stay, that keeps people entertained, or if it's educational, that helps people learn something, life hacks. And number 6, create a lot of playlists. Now, me personally, I just started making playlists, and it's good because people, if they find one video that they like, if it's a playlist of similar videos so they don't have to scroll through your whole channel, it makes it easier for them to find what they like. And number 7, the biggest thing on here, the description matters. The description matters. Put all your links, put all your social medias. Me personally, I think I just recently stopped, but I used to put a little paragraph talking to the audience. But the description really matters. It does, because that's where they get all your tags from. The description is good because it helps grow your audience and drives them to more videos. It could be your videos, or if you have a friend's video, or if you have a YouTuber that you liked video, you can help them out. And here's a bonus tip for you. Cards. When you're uploading video, you can put cards in your video. You know, when you're watching the video, the little box that pops up on the side? You can put cards in your video. You could put a link to a different video. Say if you're quoting a video on your channel, you could put it up there so they can click right to it and get to where they need to go. Or you can put your own channel in the card. If you have merch or any website like that, you can put that in the card too. Makes it easier, makes it flow better. So with that being said, if you want to start a YouTube channel, it's easier to get out there. This video is to let you know that you don't need expensive stuff to start YouTube. You can start from nothing. But on the other hand, if you like that video, go ahead and give me a like. If you want another how-to video like this, go ahead and comment in the comment section below. And if you have any questions, or if you have any tips for me, go ahead and drop that in the comment section too. And that's the end of this video. Smile easy.